What's up, YouTube? You don't know, it's your girl Shickaa Chung, and I'm back at it again today with a vlog. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, today is Vlogmas day 12, and I'm just here. I'm doing vlog style today. I'm not doing no video. So today I am I'm gonna go wash my hair, guys. My hair, oh god, don't like say I'm nasty, but I went to Jamaica October and I did a sew-in from then, and just since then my hair just been in the braids, like, cause I pulled out my hair last week and then this week, and my hair just been in the braid, and I just pulled out the braid now, and I'm gonna wash my hair since October. But I have a lot of new growth, because if you guys did not know, if you guys never watched like my old videos, I did have a pixie cut. So I just let that grow out because I could not maintain it during this quarantine thing. So sorry guys, I really just woke up. It's after 1 and I'm like, what? How did I just wake up? But yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair today. So let me just show you guys my hair. It's natural. Just right here is relaxed, but this is natural. So I'm gonna wash it right now and stretch it and see how long it got. Yeah, Lord Jesus, me look mad. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. So guys, I'm gonna show you what I like to do first before I wash it. I like to comb out my hair, so when I go in the shower, there's not a bunch of tangles. So I'm just gonna spray it down with some of my, it's just this leave-in conditioner that I use. I just spray it to kind of soften the hair so it's easier to comb and I'm not ripping out my hair. So this is what I use. I normally just use this as my leave-in conditioner because that's what it is, but I just wanted to use it to comb out my hair, and I just comb out what I need to comb out. So that is what I do first. Guys, I'm not used to having natural hair. I normally always have relaxed hair, so this is just painful for me. But and guys, you can't even ask me what type of hair I have. Like, I don't know. Oh god, as me wash my ear, me put it back in that ear style. So and my hair, I don't know. Isn't it funny? I'm a hairdresser, but I can't really determine my hair texture. Yeah. This is what I like to do. Make sure that it's combed out, and then I'm gonna meet y'all in the shower. So I'm in the shower. I'm gonna rinse out my hair now. What I used to wash my hair. I just did not want to bring these 2 jugs into the shower while I washed it, but this is what I used to wash my hair. You can only get this at the professional hair store if you are licensed. I got this at Cosmo Prof, guys. So this is what I used to wash my hair, and I use this on all my clients. My hair is well dirty, so it's not gonna sug. Don't me hide him and bun me. My hair should settle a little bit now. So I use this to determine the amount of soap on my hair. I use it to determine if I'm gonna wash it for a 3rd time, which I am going to. My hair is really dirty, as I told you guys already. The last time I washed my hair was in October, before I put in the sewing. So which was exactly October 18th, so yeah, it's been a while still. Studying now. And this is the final rinse. Just make sure that everything gets rinsed out. My scalp, make sure that it's exposed to the water. I suffer with dry scalp, so yeah. I'm conditioning my hair now. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Is it just me, or guys, I look crazy? Am I the only one that uses a lot of conditioner at a time? Comb it out. I definitely need a treatment right now, but because I'm showering at the same time, I'm not gonna do the treatment because I'm not trying to come out the shower to go do treatment right now. So the next time I wash my hair, I have to do a treatment. So I'm gonna do a protein treatment. So what I'm gonna do is my hair, I can't really flat it right now, so I'm just gonna push everything to the back like that. And I'm just gonna put on this shower cap over it because now I'm just gonna do my regular shower routine. I'm gonna do my regular shower routine, then I'm gonna rinse out my hair, and then I'll get back to you guys. What's popping, guys? So I am out the shower. I caught up my hair. Yeah, you guys knew that my hair is short, and you guys are probably wondering, how did I get it in a puff? Well, I made a video for you guys, so you guys will see that tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 13. So just wait for it. But anyways, guys, yeah, I'm gonna eat some breakfast, although it's 3 o'clock. Up to now, I cannot believe that I woke up so late. But yeah, I'm gonna eat my leftovers from this last night, which was pizza and wings. So that's what I'm gonna eat right now. What I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna make this bob here look tenable for my cousin here, because apparently it don't look tenable. So I'm gonna try and work my magic and make it look tenable, and it needs a trim and all them good stuff. So yeah, that way I gotta do right now. So like today's a hair day, right? We just wanna feel nice and feel good. Yeah, so that me I gotta do ya now. Guys, I'm here, you know, trying to match up my cousin hair and all those things. Yeah, so I did a little cutting. I did a little cutting to kind of shape up the bob for her. So now I'm just here flat ironing and I'm styling and all of those stuff. So I'll show you guys how it looks when I'm done. I should have showed you guys that before, but oh well. Yeah, I showed you guys what it looked like in my hand, but yeah. All right, guys, this is what I did with my cousin's hair. Turn around, goodie. Turn all the way around. Shake it up, shake it up. Yes, guys, if your bob don't move, what are you guys saying, guys? Look for my Instagram page at shickaasbeautybox. Yeah, that's what you call a bob. A bob, for real. Okay, guys, so I'm going to end the vlog off right here. So you guys seen what I did today. It was just basically all about hair. So make sure you guys stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 13. Yeah, are day 13 tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow's day 13. Tomorrow's day 13. So stay tuned for day 13 tomorrow. Make sure you guys like, comment, and share, and subscribe if you have not. Please, guys. I'm trying to, you know, get to 1,000 subscribers. I want to do that by the end of the year, which that probably won't happen. But yeah. Anyways, guys, see you in Vlogmas Day 14.